Oh well. Poor being a boy. Poor living in Louisiana. It's hot.
What about that way?
Oh, they're just sitting at the part of the pond. Now at the Sunken Gardens.
Huh?
Where's the Sunken Garden?
The last stop. Now you see, that's why I asked y'all if y'all really want to go on the other trail. Or if y'all wanted to wait till last.
Yeah, we literally melting.
It's really hot in there and they have a lot of them.
That's the worst combination. But sweat. Whew. Yeah, like this is, especially all the shade. Stop.
Right. Pretty much.
Sure.
Heaven and God.
Right.
Get it? Because heaven is God.
Right. That's where God lives.
Yeah, heaven is God. God is the coolest thing in the world. He makes stuff. He made animals with dirt and he just blows it.
Can you stop talking about that right now?
Okay, we tell the Bible like every night, so.
One more thing to go. Okay. Three more things to go.